Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Friends, today guys we are going to cover guys how to enable eyes protection mode in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to enable your eyes protection mode, so friends you can enable it. And friends, now let's see how to enable eyes protection in our Realme phone. And guys, how can sorry friends, Tecno phone. And guys, how can you use your eyes protection mode setting in your Tecno phone? In this video, I will also show you. So first of all, guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting. After on phone setting, guys, scroll it. So friends, you can see guys your Tecno phone this setting. So as you can see display and brightness setting, can tap here. As you can see the third option guys, eye care. So let's tap here to enable your eyes protection mode. So you want to enable, and as you want to schedule, so you can schedule, you can see turn on custom time, turn on from sunset to sunrise time. So as you can schedule from here. And guys, you can see your eye care. So as you can see this icon guys, tap here to enable your eyes protection mode. After all guys, you can see your skin color will change, and guys you can customize your skin color yourself guys. Cool and warm color guys, you can customize. You can see guys skin color will change. So guys, why do we use guys eyes protection mode? So when we operate phone at night, and guys when we use phone at night, so why we should on guys our eyes protection mode guys. It is good for your eyes. So like that guys, you can on guys your guys, you can enable your eyes protection mode in your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Friends, you have any doubt related to guys your brightness setting, friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will help you. Bye.